Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks everybody for watching. Just want to give you guys a quick breakdown. Shop is set up, we've updated, got the AC stuff situated. We ended up getting a few new machines that you guys will see in the video. It's nothing crazy, nothing big, but it's something that, you know, it's a step in the right direction. I'm excited for the future of Aldowelds. I have a lot of stuff in mind and a lot of products that I want to release. That is these equipment, the equipment that we bought is going to be helping us a ton to do a lot of, you know, work a lot faster, bring costs down, and be able to sell more as a manufacturing side of things. So anyways, check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys want anything that you see, check it out on our website. Daily we're updating and upgrading the site and updating with products. So here we go. All right, boys, this is what we wake up to right here, baby. CNC Press break is finally here. We're waiting for it. We got a bigger shop, made some moves to be able to compensate for the space and for everything that we have planned. Hopefully all goes good. I'm excited. This has been a big goal for me, and we're finally here. This is one of the products that, or one of the equipments that we purchased recently, and I'm excited to use it.
The next day.
You guys check it out. I'm super excited. We did do a lot of research as far as what machine would work out best for, you know, what we're trying to do. I really wanted to go with the fast cut stuff. The way the cards fell, or the way the cards came out, it just wasn't, you know, wasn't something that we were going to be able to do. So we went with the next best thing, and I think I'm kind of happy I went this route. I look forward to the future and to see what kind of parts and products we can make with this stuff, but I don't know what else to say. So you guys check it out. We're gonna unload this thing. They're gonna unwrap it first, and then we're gonna unload it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Check it out. Haven't read the instructions that thoroughly. How's this supposed to mount, do you know? Don't mind that. OSHA does not need to see it. Yeah, so last time I've used a plasma table was well over 10 years ago, maybe even 15. So yeah, I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. I really don't. I have no clue what I'm doing with this machine, but I'm the type of guy that'll figure it out. Check it out. Look at this. Look at this monstrosity. Look at that unit. Man, I got a story. I think I gotta tell y'all. I was out, you know, looking for the proper air compressor for the new shop. Man, I went through like 3 or 4 different stores trying to find the proper one, and didn't really find it. I think on the last store I ended up finding one, the only one they had. Ended up buying it. This was last week, Saturday. Ended up buying that, and got it strapped, loaded up in the truck, and everything was good. And got to the shop. The only people that were here was just me, my mom, and my stepdad, which my stepdad does all my electrical, basically, you know, right-hand man when it comes to building the shops and all of this stuff. We were here, backed the thing up into the, you know, close into the shop, and we're trying to just discuss how to get the compressor down. And man, one thing led to another. We unbolted it. My stepdad jumped up there, and you know, did a sudden movement with it, and next thing you know, this thing comes completely off the side of the truck, right? One way to bring it down. It falls completely down. He was actually holding it, you know, luckily, you know, it could have been a lot worse. He went with it over the edge, and mind you, man, he's 50, right? He likes to drop stuff everywhere. Monday comes, we literally just put everything back together, and I sent Nate, our media guy, I sent him to Northern Tools to try to return the compressor, and it worked out. Come on, follow me. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I had our carpenter guys, they're the ones that do a lot of all my woodwork and all that. I had them make room for it outside, and we ended up upgrading. This one here, the Quincy compressor, is a really nice compressor. It comes with the Baldor motor. It's a dual stage, dual piston deal. So this will be in here. We'll need to mount it on the ground. I'm gonna run lines through the wall there. And from there, I don't know if I'm gonna put the filtration system out here, or maybe I'll put it inside, we'll see. That area right there will have a weld table, our fab table, cutting, grinding, all that there. So they're gonna have their own individual airline there. The middle one's also gonna have its own individual airline. That's gonna be for the plasma table and basically anything we need. We need to air blow anything, whatnot. Same thing goes on the press brake side. Press brake side is gonna have the same thing. That one we're gonna have air there just to clean up parts if we need to air blow anything or whatnot. And then I'm also gonna route hose reel. I'm not sure yet if we're gonna mount it in the middle or if we're gonna mount it off to the side there. Hose reel there. We're gonna do electrical outlets off the top in each individual one in there and here. Mind you, this here is gonna be more for the manufacturing side of things. We might do the mechanical side of stuff here as well. I'm still undecided on what we're gonna do there, but yeah, this is basically, you know, something I envisioned. When we got the shop, it was completely empty. There was really nothing there. I'm like, okay, it's a great shop, good space, but where are we gonna put everything? We're not gonna put everything on the ground. So I had the carpenter guys come out, and they ended up building us this whole upstairs, right? And this is just a vision that I had, and slowly but surely stuff will get there, right? So here we are. I'm gonna set this up. This thing completely works 100% now. I haven't brought any of our material or stuff over here yet to really test it with material, but that thing's 100%. I'll fire it up and just kind of show you guys real quick. As you guys know, I'm known for the sheet metal work and our own custom intercoolers, our own catch can tanks, all that stuff we've been doing with the shear. All that we've been doing with the shear, a manual box and pan brake, and any holes or anything that needed to be done, it's all been done with a hole saw, you know, like hole saw or uni bits, drill bits, etc., right? So this is 100% a game changer for us. Press brake, this thing is going to bend just about anything we need to bend, right? We need to bend some rules, we could bend them in here too, you know what I mean? But that right there turns it on. Right now the die's down. We ended up cleaning all the coating that they had on it just so it won't rust during shipping. But yeah, that's basically right there is set up, ready to go. We'll move over to the program, and we have the foot pedal here, so it's real quick. You know, if I need to bend down, obviously it needs to be adjusted to whatever we're gonna bend, but straight up it's gonna fucking pow. You know what I mean? It's real easy. This right here, it's just on manual mode, but if we set it up with the specific program, and let's say the program has 10 bends that we need to do in it, we can do 10 bends on one program, right? And mass produce that, right? So if we need 100 pieces, we can do 100 pieces at a time. So real badass. But that's that, easy peasy. For now, we're gonna get the plasma table set up and situated. Once we do that, we'll start running all the airlines. If you guys can see too, they had this installed yesterday. Gotta have AC, gotta have it. But yeah, all right, stay tuned. I'll get you some more footage once everything's said and done, and then also what our plans is for the future for Aldowelds when it comes down to building cars, building products, and manufacturing, right? All right, here we go. All right, so we finally got the machines kind of figured out and basically set up where they need to be. I got a lot of reading to do to try to learn this thing to an extent to where I can actually make some nice parts and everything that, you know, it's intended for. Yeah, if you notice, the book, which is like the instructions, is super thick book. I think it's like 200 pages or 150 pages or something like that I gotta go through, and I'm really picky with it. That's why I really haven't done much with it since we installed them. I misread something. I put more of the anti-corrosive fluid in there than I was supposed to. Do you think that's a fifth of this jug? So 1, 2, 3, 4.
End of flashback.
Actually 2 gallons more than I was supposed to. What am I supposed to do now? Anyways, whatever, that's that. Everything is situated, ready to go. You guys saw everything that we have here should make us progress and make us actually, you know, get stuff out a lot sooner. I showed you guys what we bought, what we got ourselves into. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and go check out the website, aldowelds.com. We will be having parts and products on there. Slowly but surely, you guys are gonna see it basically transition to the products that we're making with these machines. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, what you guys want to see us make with these things. You know, I already have a lot of plans of some of this cool stuff that we're gonna make, like a shop sign. You know, we're gonna make a nice shop sign with our plasma table. I haven't figured out how, but I will figure it out. End of the video. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.